Morning students. So before starting of your exam, I have introduced you with Tux Paint. Today we will learn how to open Tux Paint in full screen. Now let's go to all apps, click on it, then go to Tux Paint, then click scroll down, you can see Tux Paint full screen. Click on that. The Tux Paint will open in full screen. You can see the penguin in the welcome screen. This painting was already there, so I will save it and I will open a new one. So I will go to new. Now I will take a blank screen right now so that I can make a greeting card, and I will show you how to do that. We will draw beautiful borders with the help of lines. You can draw borders with any shapes and you can select different colors. You can see the border is designed in the form of a flower. Now I will draw another border with brown color. Now I will draw a border with the triangle shape. You can understand easily if I draw the border with triangle shape because it is more clearly visible. See, you can see the line in triangular shape. Now we will draw a few shapes with the help of shapes option. First I will draw a octagon. You can select the color and you can rotate it in any direction. Then I will draw a rhombus. Now I will show you one more option, that is undo option. What is undo? That if anything you have done wrong, you can erase it by pressing the undo, and redo to make it back, undo to just go back. Now I will draw the rhombus downside. I can rotate it in any direction. Then I will draw a star. After drawing the shapes, now I will write a text here, because in the greeting card we used to write few text to our friends. So here I will write Happy New Year. You can see by selecting on ABC text on the left hand side, on the right hand side the letters are available with different options like bold, italic. So to make it bold, click on the bold, and to make it italic, click on the italic, bold. Then you can select the style of your text with the help of the letters given. I will take a informal one, and I can also increase and decrease the size. Now I will increase and decrease the size. You can see the arrow button. I can select the color of the text also. So I will make the color of the text blue. Then I will change the size of the text. So you have to go on the right hand side. You can see the arrow option. These arrows are used to make it big and make it small. Click on it, you will understand what is happening. So make it in a medium size, and you can change the position of the text also by clicking. Now you can see the text is written in blue color. Now you can go to magic option, then you can make few more designs here of your wish. You can see the brick option, so I will make some brick as a design. This brick option makes bricks on the wallpaper. You can undo also. I'm showing you how to undo. See, the bricks are on my line, so I will do a undo, and I can do redo also. The magic option is very useful. By clicking on the magic option, you can select different designs on your wallpaper. Save my drawing first, so click on the save option. Now I will show you few more options in the magic tool. Now you can see here, when I go to open, you can see few drawings are already saved. in the form of thumbnail, and the present drawing is also saved there. I will click on open. Now I will go downside and I will make a rainbow. See, you can see the real rainbow and rainbow option is there. So first I will make the real rainbow. So on clicking on the rainbow, you can see a rainbow is there, colorful rainbow is there on the screen. If you make only rainbow, this type of rainbow will be there, but I want to make the real rainbow, so click on the real rainbow and drag it down in which position you want, and you can see the rainbow will appear on your wallpaper, on your canvas. Now yes, replace the old one. I have already saved the drawing, so it is asking me to replace the old drawing with the new one. This is very important, otherwise your drawing will not be saved. Now I am making more designs to show you what is exactly happening. Now from the magic option, I am going to make some ripples by clicking on the ripples option. Then I will add some noise. So go to noise option and click on the noise and give some noise. Now after this I will save. Yes, replace the old one. My old picture is saved with now the new one. And now I can go to quit. Yes, I am done. So that's all. Now try all these options, and if you have any doubt you can contact me or your class teacher. Thank you. That's all for today, and please try new things in TuxPaint. Have a good day.